Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a new Android Studio project. So if you have downloaded Android Studio, it will be good to go. But if you have not downloaded it yet, you have to visit the official website of the Android Studio. Check your operating system, check the newest version and download it from here. After download you just have to click the installer and just double click it and install it. So when you open the Android Studio after installing, you will get this screen, right? So when you get this screen, to create a new Android Studio project, to develop your app, you have to click on this one, start a new Android Studio project. On clicking on it, you will get this dialog box. You have to check its phone and tablet. Click on the empty activity. There are many activities, you can choose any one of them, but since I am starting from the beginning, so let's just start from the empty activity. Click next. You will get this dialog box where it says configure your project. So this is the something your Android Studio, like your app name, application name. So you are developing an Android app and you will get your app name. So think of a good app name. Let's first create. This is my first app. So create, name it as first. Alright. Now I'm going to change my location of where I'm saving it. So let's just save it there. Okay, this is my first. Okay, alright. So I am saving it here, and now minimum API level you have to check it for it. Minimum API level is something, API level. Every phone is an API level, right? So you have to check for it. What you're targeting. So if it says API level 21, that means whatever the app you are going to develop, that app will work on the phone having API level greater than or equal to 21. So it will work approximately on 85% of device. If you change it, you will see like 14% of the devices. So let's just make it 21. Finish it. So on finishing it, your app will configure itself. You will see a proxy setting if you are connected to the internet, if you have any proxy, but don't just ignore it. If you are behind the proxy, you have to configure the proxy as well. So that may be tricky. If you face any problem in doing that, you may comment it out. I can resolve your problem as well. So here you can see your app is syncing. It will complete. On completing, you will see a folder structure over here. You will see the Java files. So here you can see this was the package name we have defined earlier, and the main activity is the first activity, which is already created, so you don't have to worry about it. And activity main.xml file is something which is the design. So you can see your first screen has something having written yellow text, hello world. So hello world coming from here. This is the design, and this is the Java file where you write your code. And the resource folder having these are the folder structure is something we will get to know while working on the project. So, and you can see the build is finished without any error. So you are good to go now. You have created your first app, and that's it for it. We'll learn more about it and we'll create a new app